you didn't show. No, no, no. I needed you today. So where did you go? You told me to call, said you'd be there, and though I haven't seen you, are you still there? I cried out with no reply, and I can't feel you by my side, so I'll hold tight to what I know. You're here, and I'm never alone. And though I can't not see you, and I can't explain why, such a deep, deep reassurance you've placed in my life. Oh, we cannot separate, 'cause you're a part of me, and though you're invisible, trust the unseen. I cried out with no reply, and I can't feel you by my side, so I'll hold tight to what I know. You're here, and I'm never cannot separate. You're part of me, and though you're invisible, I'll trust the unseen.
Good morning. This morning, Speechless has performed our first interpretive movement called Never Alone. As you saw, it started with Jesus and 3 of his lost children. He tries to make himself known, but Satan puts a wall of worldly sin and temptation between him and his children. Satan then invites his demons to distract the girls and pull them away from Christ. Meanwhile, Jesus never leaves or turns his back on his children. He continuously helps the girls resist conforming to the sin of the world. At the end, with the help, Jesus' mercy and love, the girls fight, with Jesus' help, mercy and love, the girls fight off the demons and find that Jesus has always been there for them and has never left them alone. They then put God first in their hearts and ask him to lead their lives. It says in Hebrews chapter 13, verse 5, to keep your lives free of the love and money of the world and be content with what you have, because God said, never will I leave you, never will I forsake you. Even though we cannot see God, we have faith that he is always with us. Even in our darkest moments, we are not alone. God will help us to resist the temptation of the world if we allow him to lead our lives and we always look toward him. Thank you.